So this is my new truck that I just bought yesterday. First time buying an old truck. I've always done old tractors and lawnmowers, but I figured I'd mix it up this time. Pretty beat up. I love the color. I've always been a fan of blue vehicles for some reason. Got the 300 straight 6 in it, with a 4-speed on the floor transmission out of either an F250 or F350. It's got the granny low in it. There's the front of it. This is a 1978, by the way, F100. This is the bad side. Got a dent in the front of the fender, dent in the door, and yeah. Yeah, that's going to be interesting right there. But still drives. It's the first thing I've ever bought that I didn't have to revive from the dead. Actually did a junkyard run today. Got me a new fender. And the heater core with blower motor and all that kind of stuff. Well, at least it's not rusted out. It actually runs pretty good. Interior is not horrible. Use some work. It's actually got boat carpet in it. But somebody did a pretty good job. There's a better shot of the 4-speed. This truck was actually originally 3 on the tree. As you can tell from that right there, that's where the original shifter went in. And the transmission's been changed over from that. Odometer reads 31,000, but I'm sure that's not right. This truck's supposed to have like 80,000 original miles on it, but I'm not sure. Original AM radio, it does work. Dash pad, needs some help. Yeah, but overall the interior is not bad. That's actually another original AM FM radio. I got off a 79 at the junkyard today, so we'll see if that works. Be nice to listen to FM. Well, let's crank it up. Sure we're in neutral. Absolutely lights right off. No hesitation at all. There was the radio. She sounds good. Yeah, overall I think it's alright. I did take it down the road a little bit. I think it only has one brake working, and that would be this one. Pulls hard to the left when you stand on the brakes, but it does kind of slow you down. But engine and transmission is definitely good. Yeah, overall I'm happy with it. There it is, 78 F100. Thanks for watching.